Hello everyone, and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the details of the very popular storage service offered by Amazon AWS called S3. Let's go ahead and take a look at the details. Amazon S3, a cloud storage service by AWS, offers scalable, secure, and durable object storage. It's used for websites, mobile apps, backups, and big data analytics. S3 allows storing and retrieving any amount of data from anywhere, ensuring robust security and reliability. Amazon S3 is an object storage service that stores and retrieves data in a scalable manner. It organizes data into objects stored in buckets. Features include versioning for multiple object versions and lifecycle policies for automated transitions to lower-cost storage or deletion. Amazon S3 supports various use cases. For backup and restore, it offers secure and durable storage with high availability. Data is automatically replicated across regions, ensuring protection from hardware failures. Amazon S3 can host static websites, serving HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files directly to users. It integrates well with other AWS services, such as CloudFront, making it an attractive option for simple website hosting. S3 is commonly used as a data lake for storing large amounts of unstructured or semi-structured data. It integrates with AWS analytics services like Amazon Athena and AWS Glue for large-scale data processing and analysis. S3's global infrastructure, paired with CloudFront, handles streaming media files and software updates efficiently. This integration ensures fast, secure, and efficient content delivery. S3 is used by many applications to store and manage user-generated content like photos, videos, and document files. S3 Standard is perfect for frequently accessed data, offering high throughput and low latency access. It ensures 99.999999999% durability and 99.99% availability. S3 Intelligent Tiering automatically moves data between two access tiers based on changing access patterns. This optimizes costs for data with unpredictable access frequencies. S3 Standard IA is ideal for long-lived, infrequently accessed data. It's cost-effective for backup, disaster recovery, and long-term storage, with occasional data retrieval. S3 OneZone IA is a cost-effective storage option for infrequently accessed data that can be recreated if lost. It stores data in a single availability zone. S3 Glacier and S3 Glacier Deep Archive are designed for long-term archival storage. They provide a cost-effective solution for data that is rarely accessed, with retrieval times ranging from minutes to hours. The AWS Management Console offers a GUI for managing S3 buckets and objects, configuring settings, and monitoring activity. AWS offers SDKs for various programming languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, and C#. These SDKs provide APIs to manage S3 resources and automate workflows. The S3 REST API offers developers greater control and the ability to create custom integrations. It allows direct interaction with the service using HTTP requests. The AWS CLI provides a fast and simple method for managing S3 buckets and objects, perfect for those who prefer scripting over graphical interfaces. Amazon S3 is a scalable, secure, and versatile storage solution. It handles various data storage needs, offers multiple levels of service, and integrates robustly through SDKs, APIs, and AWS CLI. S3 empowers users to store, manage, and analyze data in the cloud. That's it for this video. If you'd like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. That's all for now. I'll see you in another video soon.